How did I do on, today on Wall
This
Street?
guy is, you're going to be, when you see these videos, this guy is the man. He did everything short but ringing the opening bell. And he was everywhere. He was with he even had a sit down with the chairman of the New York Stock Exchange. He met everybody. People knew who he was when he walked around on that floor. He's already a somebody.
I mean, I kind of met some people before, like, oh, I remember I met you over here, and they kind of meet you again, y'all talking. Yeah.
It's awesome. It's awesome. You gotta watch. I'm telling you, I was in the business a very long time. You need to watch Prince. You need to pay attention to what he's doing. He's doing a great job with all these videos, podcasts, and everything else he does. It's very important. He's giving you access to a lot of people that pretty much you would never get access to otherwise.
Yeah, well, James, how can people follow you, get more from you, all that good stuff?
Again, Facebook, just look for Unofficial Wall Street on Facebook. I'm there. You can always say hello. If you send me a message on Facebook for some weird reason, sometimes I don't get that somebody sent me a message. So if I don't respond for a couple of days, it doesn't mean I don't like you or I'm ignoring you. Maybe it means you asked me a question I don't know the answer, so I'm trying to figure it out. But sometimes I'm just slow to respond, but don't be shy. Say hello on there. I also have a YouTube channel under James Foytlin. The link is on my Facebook page, so that says just go to Unofficial Wall Street. The link to the website is the YouTube channel, and they're all a minute long. They're not big and professional like Prince is. I kind of stare at the phone and yell at it and try not to make too many stupid, crazy faces.
James, it's been a pleasure.
It's a pleasure, man.
Wall Street,
yes.
New York Stock Exchange, the floor. Had to come out and see Uncle James. It's been far too long. I know we talk all the time. I don't know. We talk all the time. We've done videos all the time. We've done interviews all together. But it's good to be back here in New York with him to stop by and check him out.
It's great to see you. It really is.
Great to see you. I appreciate it.